Hey guys, welcome back to LIBA'S. It's me, LIBA. Today we have a special video. You can see in our balcony our two chicks are running around. Vanilla and chocolate. Chocolate are their name. You can see that our balcony is covered with nets. And we have a special guest. It's the baby sparrow. We have a special guest. She's a baby sparrow. We touched her. She was really cute and she's very little. Me and Aizah had fun touching her. It looked thirsty, so we tried to give it water. It went inside the cup and tried to drink water. It was so funny. It took some time to drink, but it came back. My father gave it little massage and then we thought it was hungry, so we gave it food. It was trying to jump and escape and play around. It really had a lot of fun. It went here and there, as you can see. And then it was time to say goodbye, so we kissed it. And we said goodbye. Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video. Please make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and bye. We'll be back with more fun stuff. Thank you for watching.